believe me, nobody told me how much was their first salary. They just told what was their experience. And what Kalyan told me was he bought Nike shoes, Ray-Ban glasses, a pair of clothes, a lot of things with first salary. It would be huge, I believe. And then at last he realized that he spent all his salary at the end of the day. And this poor guy called his mother for another 10,000 to survive for the month. That's good. And he would love to play cricket, shopping, hometown visit, movie theater, trekking, swimming, squash, beach, etc. All this in a single day. Oh wow, amazing. And underline this, at times office. So he goes to office for work on a holiday, especially on a May Day. Over to you, Kalyan, all the best.
Well, my CC2 title is Organize Your Speech. According to me, organization is like being a goalkeeper. No matter how many balls you save, people are going to talk only about the one ball you missed. Ladies, gentlemen, Toastmasters, in particular Vidyasagar, and all the poor speakers who are speaking today, a very big good afternoon. So going back in my life, before joining IT, I had one question in mind. How is IT life going to be? I used to ask everyone. All the non-IT guys response summed up. The response is this: dude, IT is bad, mad, and dangerous. Well, I wanted to know the real reason. I went to the IT guys. The typical IT guys response is like this: dude, IT life is often intense, stressful, and at times crazy. Well, crazy? Crazy because recently there's a study which says that when you get a role promotion or job promotion, your mental health degrades a bit. Now you all know the reason why your boss is crazy. After this, I came across some interesting stats, which says that 20% of the IT guys marry their co-workers, 50% of the guys have no savings in their accounts, 80% live away from their hometown. But what intrigues me is this 90 and 100. 90% of the IT guys are unhappy about something in their life. Either it is appraisals, leave policy, or something related to the company. And I was really surprised to see this 100% stat. You know what this says? Everyone in this IT, at least once in their life, thought that they had a chance other than computers in their life. Well, for all the guys who did not think your career is not over yet. So after seeing all the stats, I came to IT at a point of life. I thought that, I listen a lot. Where is it? My IT life is fine. But until this one day, I'll tell you what happened that day. I entered my Odyssey with music on, but that day the atmosphere was completely different. It was like drought struck my Odyssey. All the faces were red and smoky. I went to my BCC, best colleague in crime, and he says that it's time to check our bands. Well, it's fine, but what happened to that guy is very unhappy, and he says ABCD. Dude, what's ABCD? And he says that anybody can get a D. Then fine. But what's interesting is what happened after this. A guy walks there and tells him that, dude, I got lesser band this time. I worked a lot. And I expected him in the lines of saying that bands are not end of the life, something like that. What his reaction is? His reaction is, dude, if you feel your band is lesser, I got lesser band than you, get the hell out of here. Then I realized that I have to go and check on him. I went there and I listened to his story carefully, what happened, what went wrong. He went on saying that he worked. But at the end of his point, what he says is, the reason I got this band is because I'm from different part of India. Well, when his lead actually hears this, he was laughing. I asked him, why were you laughing? In his words, he says that, this dude, if he's in that different part of India, he would have got an A or B. He's thinking in that lines. That makes me laugh. I went to the second guy. Second guy says, politics ruined me. The typical manager reaction for this? They say that, stop complaining like a kid. Politics is everywhere. in every company you go. So it's part of your life. You gotta find a way around it. So what I'm trying to say is, when you give reactions, people have equal and opposite reaction. When something happens, you respond, you don't react. When a problem comes and knocks your door, you open and you face it. What are the runaway suggestions generally people give to these guys? Quit the company, ask for release, put 2 months leave, come to office and sleep. I'll tell you an ideal case, how should your response should be. Well, the first thing you can do is reject your ban. Go and talk to your lead. Well, I'm sure 95% of the people would say that the answer is, it's all part of the curve fitting. Justice won't happen. Fine, go to your manager. Now, 90% of the chances justice won't happen. Next, go to HR. Now it would be probably 85. Well, even then, it doesn't happen. Most of the times, we don't know what are the opportunities we have and we crib on them. There's a thing called grievance redressal in mathematics. There you can raise a grievance. Probably again, the chances are again 80. Even then, it will not happen. You can drop a mail to Ajay Mukherjee. Now don't ask me who the hell he is. And I'm sure you'll get a reply, and I know a guy who got. But even then, you don't get a reply, it might be 50. I'm telling you an example. If there are 4 tasks, A, B, C, D, if your client requests A and B, and if a guy does A, B, and if another guy does A, C, D, even he works hard, he would be appreciated. Probably that's the point to note. And there is a flip side of the coin as well. What are the wrong with all the leads and PLs in TCS? They give all the logical answers. I'll tell you a classic example why logical answers should not be given. Because the reason is, in India, people like only magical answers. That is the reason why Babas are more famous than scientists. There was a kid playing with the chocolate paper as an aeroplane. His mother, if he comes and says that, logically, I'm your mother, come here, I'll kiss you, that child won't like it. If he shows that I have a bigger plane than you, come here, she has her chance. So that kid comes to her. That is what is missing in TCS in most of the projects. All the leads will simply say that it's all part of the curve fitting. Then why don't you draw another curve? Finally, I want to end my speech saying 2 things. First thing is, always remember, the early bird gets the first one, and the second mouse gets the first cheese. And second thing I want to say, this is one of the manager told me, it's a bit harsh, but I'm calling spade a spade. What he says is, working hard for appraisals is like, you can compare with this example. Again, no offense meant to anyone. He says that, working hard for appraisals is, and it's like prostitutes working hard to marry their clients. That's not going to happen. So you don't work for your appraisals. You work smart, you get going. That's what I want to say. Thank you very much.